On today's video, we will be exploring the Marriott Hotel in Miami Biscayne Bay. We'll be exploring the hotel location, the amenities that they have to offer from food, gym, pool, and lounge, and also the room tour. Additionally, we will show you a bit of Miami and what to do if you're ever in the city. So come along with us as we explore this beautiful and unique hotel. If you're new to our channel, welcome, and thank you to all who have been with us for an extended period of time. At the Pounds Adventure, we specialize in providing comprehensive flight and resort reviews to enhance your travel experiences. Additionally, we offer valuable travel tips to ensure your safety during your travel journeys. Occasionally, we also share our love for travel through engaging vlogs. If this content resonates with you, consider subscribing and activating the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest travel videos. Welcome to the Marriott Hotel located in the Biscayne Bay area of Miami, just a few minutes walk from the Miami Heat Center, downtown, and Lynwood Murals. It is also just a 20 minutes Uber drive to South Beach. As you enter the hotel, you are greeted by this beautiful lobby. Given that the hotel has recently gone through renovations, you can visibly see it here in the lobby and throughout the hotel. The lobby has a lot of seating space for guests to mingle. In the second floor is where you'll find most of the conference center rooms. In the first floor, you also have a shopping center. Let's move to the amenities offered here, and the first one that we're going to explore is the pool. So the pool is on the 5th floor, and it is a really nice place to hang out. There are a lot of chairs for everyone. While here, we never saw the space fully filled. Keep in mind that it can get really hot here in Miami, so your best time to be at the pool are during the morning and evening hours. From the pool area, you get amazing views of the city and of the Biscayne Bay. In the same level, you have the gym. The gym was large enough and you have amazing views while working out. The other amenity that the hotel offers for their elite guests is the lounge. Access to the lounge is for those staying in the club level rooms or if you have gold or higher status. Here you can have breakfast and evening canopy. Throughout the day, you can hang out here and they have light refreshment for your enjoyment. There is also a room that you can reserve for meetings and working sessions. There's also a restaurant next door to the lounge where they also serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I had hotel food credit, which I was able to redeem at the restaurant. Overall, the food here was very good and the drinks are plus, especially in the evening while enjoying the sunset. Now let's explore the room. We got upgraded to this large king room with views of both the pool and the bay. The room is spacious and provides all the amenities that one would need during their stay. It contains a lot of charging ports. The bed is spacious and comfortable. We had great night's sleeps. It also had a working area for those who are there on a work trip or conference. The TV is a smart TV where you can access your Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube subscription for streaming. There's also a closet for you to store your belongings. The bathroom is modern and really big. It contains all the amenities that one will need during their stay, such as soap, conditioner, toilet paper, and plenty of towels. When it comes to unwinding or relaxing, you can relax on the balcony and enjoy the sunrise or sunset views in addition to the pool views downstairs. Overall, this was a great room and it met all of our needs during our time in Miami. Speaking of Miami, let's see what else you can do in Miami near the hotel or within the driving distance. The first thing is South Beach. South Beach and Miami Beach are within 20 minutes of driving when there is minimal traffic. Here you can enjoy your time at the beach, sunset, and lots of restaurant. This was something that we did on a daily basis. Next is Lynwood Murals. This is just a 10 minutes or less drive from the hotel. Here you can experience the artistic cultural aspect of Miami. Downtown Miami and Marina. Within minutes walk or drive, you can be in the vibrant area of Miami downtown and the marina. Here there are shops, food, and lots of activities. Finally, walking. The hotel is right at the bay. There are a lot of walking paths that you can take to discover the area. So definitely recommend that you take advantage of this. We hope that we have provided a great value in this video of Marriott Miami Biscayne Bay Hotel. We strongly recommend this hotel for your next Miami adventure based on our experience. Always keep in mind that each experience is unique and it can vary from person to person. We're also not getting paid by the hotel to provide this review, so it is our recommendation without bias. Anyways, thank you for tuning in and watching this entire video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and smack the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.